The Olive Tree Bible is a great Bible tool that is handy to use on a phone. In this course, we're going to learn how to use it on iPhone, but it is available on pretty much any operating system you pick up except for Linux. Getting set up when you first download the app is very easy, but we're going to skip all of that because at its most basic, you can just use the app like that. Simply download and start studying your Bible. I've downloaded the app on several devices over the last couple of years, and the first thing I always do is to turn off notifications. I really dislike notifications as a general rule. I always have those turned off. The app syncs your notes and Bibles across devices, so the next thing, which we could have done on downloading, is sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. And the app syncs my account immediately. This brings back all your notes, which is why now you can see that I have some highlights in the app. So this is where you get your account details. On the three dots icon, you can delete your account, which I definitely do not want to do. I have too many notes. Tapping on your account email will let you log into another account. You can actually access your account even on devices that are not yours. And the default Bible version you get is the ESV.